While WVU stands for West Virginia University, the letters can also be interpreted to stand for core values that distinguish the university. Whether you find yourself seeking a welcoming culture, a visionary future, or an upstanding community, WVU can provide the resources and support to achieve your goals. At WVU, you will be able to channel your unfettered passions into productivity by joining a community of students who are welcoming, visioning, and upstanding. First, W. The W in WVU stands for welcoming. During my senior year of high school, I applied to 16 universities across the East Coast. However, it wasn't until I visited Morgantown in the spring that I began to seriously consider the possibility of attending a land grant institution like WVU. After my conversations with the tour guides, student organization representatives, and faculty members, I felt an immense sense of belonging at WVU that was unparalleled to other prestigious universities. WVU prioritizes a campus culture that is welcoming for you regardless of your age, gender, race, or religion. As an Honors College ambassador and an active member of many student organizations on campus, I am able to interact with prospective students at recruitment events and ultimately help foster an atmosphere as welcoming as the atmosphere that compelled me to attend this university. Next, V. The V in WVU stands for visioning. At WVU, you can turn your vision into reality. Mountaineers have the opportunity to tackle real-world problems as researchers, entrepreneurs, or innovators, whether it be at the Rockefeller Neuroscience Institute, the Lane Innovation Hub, or Launch Lab. Last year, I joined a lab to pursue biomedical research focused on Alzheimer's disease and the development of novel drug therapeutics to combat its progression. My experiences with the Research Apprenticeship Program and the summer undergraduate research experience at an R1 research institution have guided my vision while fueling my curiosity and ambition. Finally, U. The U in WVU stands for upstanding. Mountaineers are upstanding leaders across campus. With over 500 student organizations centered around service, professional development, advocacy, and recreational sports, you can find your niche on campus. I have had the opportunity to figure out my passions and make a difference by advocating for marginalized groups with the Student Government Association, by assisting high school students through the college application process with Mountaineer mentors, and by educating my peers about the dangers of fentanyl with the Mountaineer Fentanyl Education Task Force. In conclusion, being a Mountaineer has empowered me to uphold WVU's values in both my personal and professional endeavors. During my time here, I have been able to cultivate a welcoming culture and simultaneously grow into an upstanding and visionary student leader. WVU has become my home among the hills. Let Country Roads bring you home to a family of welcoming, visioning, and upstanding Mountaineers.